Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Virus. I am Subham Kesri. Today we will start to learn HTML. This is syllabus of HTML. In this, we will learn what is website, what is web page and what is web browser. Then we will learn DNS means domain name system, introduction to HTML, history of HTML, structure of HTML. Then we will run our first HTML program. After that, we will see what is tag, then body tag, heading, paragraph, non-breaking space, center tag, line break tag, horizontal line, formatting tag, font tag, pre-tag, then image, list, marquee, table, hyperlink, form, frame, and so on. Now, see what is website. Website is a collection of web pages, videos, images, and audios that are used to address the URL. URL means Uniform Resource Locator. It may either consist of domain name or IP address on an IP protocol based network. IP stands for Internet Protocol. A website can be either static or dynamic in content. Static means fixed, dynamic means changeable. The content of a static website does not change frequently, whereas the content of a dynamic website is updated on a regular basis. A publishing house may have a static website with updates at fixed interval of time, say 30 or 60 days. On the other hand, a news channel website will have a dynamic website as the content such as news feed needs frequent updates at short intervals of time. What is web page? A web page is a hypertext document that contains information in the form of text, video, audio, images, and other multimedia files and can be accessed on www means World Wide Web using a program called web browser. What is web browser? Web browser is a program or a software application which used to represent information resource on www World Wide Web. The information resource may be a web page on any text information or a multimedia files consisting of text, audio, video and graphics. Some popular web browsers are Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, etc. DNS. It stands for Domain Name System. DNS refers to the domain name resolution mechanism, which allows using domain name as an alternative of IP address to access the domain. For example, we can use www.google.co.in or www.facebook.com. Here .com and .in is DNS, means domain name. Some commonly used DNS components are .com, .edu, .gov, .mail, .net, .org, .in. Now we will see .com. .com represents the domain name for the website of commercial business. For example, facebook.com. .edu. It represents the domain name for the websites of education. .gov represents the domain name for the website of government agency. .mil represents the domain name for the website of military. .net represents the domain name for networking website. .org represents the domain name for the websites of non-profit organization. .in represents the domain name for the official Indian website. Now we will see introduction to HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It was developed by Tim Berners-Lee. H means hyper. HTML allows non-linear access to information. Anyone can go anywhere on the World Wide Web whenever wants to. T stands for text. The HTML code is simple text. Simple text is also called as ordinary text. Hypertext is used to convert the ordinary text to hypertext. M stands for markup. Markup is collection of tags to indicate the browser the structure and format of the information. Tags are used to mark the information, that is, the data is marked. L stands for language. Language is medium of communication. HTML is used to format text, images, audio, video, etc. HTML has changed the way we access information. It allows one to jump to different part of the information source, move from one source to another with just one click. Now, this is history of HTML. HTML was first launched in 1991. Then in 1993 there was HTML1 plus. In 1995 there was HTML 2.0. In 1997 there was HTML 3.2. In 1999 there was HTML 4.0. In 2000 there was XHTML 1.5, and in 2012 there was HTML5. Now this is structure of HTML program. Here the HTML code always starts with HTML and ends with HTML. HTML is simply a collection of element tags that indicate the structure and format of web document. All tags begin with a less than symbol and end with a greater than symbol. The less than symbol and greater than symbol together known as angular bracket. If we start a command called tag name with angular bracket, we have to close it with same tag name with a extra backslash symbol. The ending tag is same as the starting tag with a backslash symbol. Each web page begins with a special command HTML and ends with HTML with backslash. The head tag contains the title tag. The title tag used to give the title of the web page visible in the title bar. It can also contain information about web page. The body area of the web page begins with body tag and ends with body with backslash. It contains the main body of web page. Now see what is tag. An HTML tag is commonly defined as a set of characters constituting a formatted command for a web page. There are two types of tag. First one is container tag. The tag which occurs in pair means this tag contains beginning command as well as closing command. Example of container tags are HTML, body, and title, head, etc. Empty tag. These are standalone tag. These tags are not contain closing command. Examples are br, hr, etc. This is our first program. We will run this program on Notepad. First, open Notepad. Press Windows plus R. Now, click on OK. This is our Notepad. Now write here HTML head title. Title is first program. Now close title tag, close head tag. Now open body tag and write here welcome to HTML. Now close body tag and close HTML tag. The HTML is not case sensitive, so you can use either uppercase or lowercase. Now save it. First dot, you can give extension as HTML or HTM. Now save it, run it. See, this is our first web page. Here is welcome to HTML and you can see here first program. What is this? This is title. See, our title is first program which is appearing here. Okay, we saw our first program. Now, if you have any type of problem, just knock me on comment section. Thank you.